Good morning, jr4. In this session, we will solve worksheet number 3 on lesson 5 and lesson 6. Worksheet 3 and worksheet 4 on lesson 5 and 6. You have to know the first one, choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. Number 1, both of human and fish use oxygen gas to breathe. Use oxygen gas to breathe. Use oxygen gas to breathe. Number 2, fish use gills to breathe in the water. Gills. Number 3, gills differ from lungs in. Gills differ from lungs in that gills extract oxygen or take oxygen gas from water. Extract means takes. Gills, number 4, gills in fish are considered as structural adaptation in the structure of the body. So it's a structural adaptation. Number 5, changes that occur slowly to the environment. I said a change happens slowly, so it gave a chance to the living organism in this environment or in this ecosystem to adapt, okay, or for adaptation. Slowly gave chance to living organisms for adaptation. After that, number 6. Number 6. Number 6. Rapid changes means what is the meaning of rapid changes happen quickly, okay? That occur to the ecosystem done by the human activities, okay? Number 7, human can negatively affected the nature by all of the following activities, except all these things, number A, B, C, all of these make all these human activities make pollution, except what? Removing air pollutants. Removing air pollutants. Number 8, human activities and bad habits can pollute what of one of the ecosystem can pollute, make air pollution, soil pollution, and water pollution. So the correct answer will be air, soil, and waterways. Air, soil, and waterways. Okay, number D. Number 9, pollution of an ecosystem can affect all living organisms are affected, like human, animals, and plants. So the answer will be number D also, plants, animals, and humans. Number 10, if an ecosystem is severely polluted, what is the meaning of severely? It means difficult polluted. Some animals can survive by what? I said in this session that animals can survive by moving from this ecosystem to another ecosystem to can resurvive, okay? So by moving to another stable ecosystem, okay? After that, number 11. Number 11. If the environment is slowly changing, plants can't move, but must land their seeds in another better place. Number 12. Wildfires is most dangerous for plants rather than animals because the plants can't move. Because the plants can't move. Number 13. When the air pollution is high over a long period of time, may occur what to the human? Number D, lung damage and stuff. Number 14, human can help restoring ecosystem by all of the following activities, except what? Produce more factors exist. Okay, all these ways, replanting, removing the air and water pollutant, preserving existing plants and animals, by these, all of these ways can or help the human to restore the ecosystem, except producing more factors exist to make more air pollution. Number C, producing more factors exist means make more pollution, make water, air pollution, more air pollution. Okay, so it can't restore the ecosystem. Okay. After that, please open the worksheet. Now open worksheet number worksheet number 4 on lesson 6. Okay. Choose the correct answer. Number 1. Amphibians live in moist environment. Amphibians live in moist environment. Start agama and salamanders. The first start agama, it's a type of lizard, so it is a reptile, but salamander is amphibian. So the correct answer, number C. So lizard is reptile and salamander is amphibian. Number 3 is amphibians have gills, not lungs, and can't respire through skin. Well, they can't live outside water. They can't live outside water. Have gills and not lungs, and can't respire through skin, so they can't live outside water. Number 4, amphibians can take oxygen gas from what? From water and the earth, breathe on land and breathe in water. So they can take oxygen by 2 ways, in water and on the air. In rainforests, we can find what? In the rainforest, panther, chameleon, and amphibians. Number 6, golden frog and polar bear, both are living organisms. Both of them are living organisms. Okay. Number 7. If the number of an animal species becomes zero, so it means become extinct. Okay, number B. Both human, number 8, both human and amphibians breathe in oxygen. Which of the following sentence is correct? Amphibians can breathe oxygen gas from water and air. All of you know that amphibians can breathe in from water and take oxygen from water and air. Number 9, blood vessels that carry oxygen gas in amphibians present in skin and lungs. Skin and lungs. Number 10, amphibians, lizard, tree, birds, fish, and human. All of them need oxygen gas to respire. All living organisms need oxygen gas to breathe or to respire. Number 11, amphibians extract which gas directly from the water to obtain energy? Oxygen gas. Extract means takes. Okay. After that, number 12, to increase the number of endangered species. You may have to introduce a new prey for this species, So introduce a new prey. Number 13, if a pond where some frogs live is highly polluted with waste and virus, what you have to do to preserve or to protect these frogs? You have to do what? Transfer these frogs to a clean water habitat, because the body of frogs is very sensitive. The last one, number 14, to help some green frogs to increase their ability to hide from their predators. You can cultivate more green plants in this environment because it takes the shape or the color of the green plants, okay? After that, put right or wrong. The first one, amphibians include frog, starred agama, and salamanders. No, wrong. The natural habitat of amphibians is rainfall forests, while that of panther chameleon is desert. Panther chameleon live also in rainforest, so it's true. Number 3. The number of amphibians increased in the last few years due to restoring of its ecosystem. Increase? No. Number 4, aquatic frogs and amphibians can be found in the same habitat. Right. Number 5, frogs have a small digestive system as they are small amphibians. Wrong. Salamanders and fish can breathe in air through lungs. Wrong. Fish can't breathe through lungs. In the habitat of amphibians, we can find sometimes in the habitat of amphibians, we can find some types of amphibians. Right. Number 8, scientists try to save golden frogs as they are going to be extinct animals. It's right. Number 9, amphibians may suffer from habitat loss or even die if its ecosystem is full of pollution, right? Because the body of it is sensitive. Number 10, clean water and the air are very important for the digestion process in amphibians. Wrong. Number 11, the last one, you have to advise people to avoid throwing wastes in waterways to save amphibians' life. It's right, because the body of amphibians is very sensitive. Species that include frog-toothed and salamanders, they are amphibians. The organ through which a salamander can take in oxygen gas directly from water is gas that present in water and the air and supply amphibians with energy. Oxygen gas. The type of adaptation that allow frog to take in oxygen gas from water directly through the skin. Structural adaptation. Structural adaptation. An organ responsible for breathing and contains little sacs in human, frog, cow, but not in fish. Lungs. An addition breathing property that amphibians have and not present in human. Extraction of oxygen gas directly from water. Okay? Clear? Okay, see you next week. Bye-bye.